lose again. But I'm on my way to feeling like I could be replaced.
Welcome to my newest listing. It's the LaCaille Parke Place, just steps away from the iconic Calgary Peace Bridge. Let's have a look.
Cause I don't think I'll be the same.
Here it is, you guys. This awesome building right here. Let's go. I don't think I'll be the same, but I'm on my way. My name's Bryon Howard. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, reach out or go ahead and add a comment below. Like, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.